Alright. Go, Jakey. Go, Day. Go, Casey. Dean, what are you doing? It's a lot of boys dancing. Where are the girls hiding? Julie and Jessica, where are you?
Do me. They're upstairs.
You think they're hiding from all these boys?
Do me. Do me.
Go, Dylan. Go, Dylan.